key takeaways like means I got lot of knowledge about business WhatsApp, LinkedIn also, and I came to know in detail about how digital marketing works.
Right.
If you want to grow a business, if you want to develop your business, and if you want to market your business and grow, or means to generate the leads also, or to make campaigns or to make ads also, then I got a lot of knowledge, and it can be helpful in future, I can say. And maybe as I was knowing that digital marketing is more about creating a good content. So more power is in the content and the graphics.
Yes.
Right? Because I've seen so many of ads. So always I see that what is the content they are using.
Right.
So if you are using a proper content, then it will eye catchy for the customers that we are targeting, and then we can surely get the leads generated from there.
Absolutely.